Now, in this video, we are going to take up the one more problem. So, program to convert the uppercase letter to a lowercase letter. If I want to say the uppercase letter to the conversion of the lower from uppercase letter to that is from uppercase letter to a lowercase letter. So that means I will going to enter a capital character and then it should convert it into small letter. So that means if I say capital A, then you should return it small a. So that is the basic program. So how do I do that? So first we are going to have the header files included. So what is our main function? I want to convert the uppercase into lowercase, so lower intc. So we are going to have the conditions. So what is the condition? What are all the uppercase letters you have? Capital A to capital Z. So the condition has to be in such a manner that it should be greater than A and it should be less than or equal to Z. So if small c is greater than or equal to a character capital A and small c is less than or equal to a character of capital Z. So if the condition is true, then you convert that return small c plus small a character minus capital A character. So what does it mean? So the meaning of this is if small c, capital A, small a is how much? The small a is 90, ASCII character of small a is 97 and ASCII character of capital A is 65. So 97 minus 65 will going to give you 32. Similarly, ASCII character of small b is 98 and that of capital B is 66. So again you have a difference of 32. So likewise from capital A to small capital Z, if you add and then you subtract from that value with the small small letter A to Z with that of the capital letter of A to Z, you will going to get the difference is 32. So in other words, if I consider 32 and the difference is always 32, so thereby you are converting the small letter into a capital letter into small letter. If the condition is false, then what I need to do is it should be able to return the value of C itself. So what does it mean? Suppose if I enter, instead of typing a character in uppercase, if I type a character in a lower case, it should give this me same thing. If I write capital A, it should be converted into small a. If I write it in capital B, it should convert it into small b. If the condition is false, that means if I enter by mistake, I will going to enter small letter a. So what it should do? It return by the same value without converting your entering. So that is the condition. So that's why it says return C. It should have C 0. It should be return C. Now we will going to write the small program here. So character C I am entering. Printf enter a character. So I will going to enter the character as capital A. Scanf you are going to read that character. So printf lowercase letter which is equal to %C lower of C. I am calling this sub function here itself. Then output will be small a, the lowercase letter will be small a. So get ch function. So this is how it will going to execute this program. So now we will try to write this by using a small quotes. So to do that, so first I will say include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then we have lower intc, then open the flap brackets. Then if I say if C is greater than or equal to character capital A and also C is less than or equal to capital letter Z. If these two conditions are true, then return C plus character small a minus character capital A. Then else what I should print? It should return the value of the small letter c only. Then close it. Then we go for the main function. Then enter. Then character C. So you will open this character C. Printf. Enter the character. Enter a character. Enter a character. Then scanf %C %C. Then printf lowercase letter equals %C lower c, okay, and get ch function. So always the difference should be equal to 32. Now we are going to just compile it. So lowercase letter, I will enter a character. I want to convert the uppercase letter into lowercase letter. I will say A. So the lowercase letter will be small a. So similarly, I will going to enter with a uppercase letter of capital Z. Since the lowercase letter will always be equal to small z. Suppose by mistake, what I will do, I will enter a small letter character. I will say D, small d. So the lowercase, you are already entered in the small letter d. So it should return with the same value with the small d. So that is why it is returning the same value. So this is how you will be able to convert the uppercase letter into the lowercase letter. Thank you.